trees. These majestic giants grace our landscapes, providing shade, oxygen, and a home for countless creatures. They stand as ancient symbols of life, wisdom, and healing. Yet, in the heart of this tranquility, a darker side lurks. For within the realm of these wooden wonders, danger lies in wait. Yes, life blooms within this serene forest. Where dappled sunlight dances upon the forest floor, some trees harbor secrets, deadly secrets. From deadly fruits to poisonous sap that can blind, these arboreal assassins are not to be trifled with. Join us now as we venture into the dark shadows of the forest to uncover the truth about the world's deadliest trees. Our journey into the world of perilous plants brings us face to face with what may be the most dangerous tree on Earth, the Manchineel. Sown and spreads its seeds by nature through ocean currents and wildlife, allowing it to thrive along coastal regions. This deadly tree grows and flourishes in salty, sandy environments, adapting to extreme conditions. The Manchineel glow and may appear lush and inviting, but its deceptive beauty hides a toxic secret. Every part of the tree, its leaves, sap, bark, and fruit is dangerously poisonous. Found in the tropical regions of southern Florida, the Caribbean, and Central and South America, this formidable tree stands as a silent sentinel of danger. Its semi-heart-shaped leaves, so reminiscent of an apple tree, belie the danger lurking within. For every inch of the Manchineel or Hippomane mancinella, from its bark to its fruit, is saturated with a milky white sap called forbol, a toxic cocktail potent enough to inflict agonizing pain and even death. The very air surrounding the Manchineel carries a threat. The slightest scratch from a branch, a fleeting brush against its bark, can unleash this potent sap, causing severe burns and blistering. Imagine, if you will, the searing agony of molten lava scorching your skin. That is the reality of contact with Manchineel sap. Rain offers no respite from this arboreal antagonist. Water dripping from its leaves carries the toxic sap, transforming a refreshing shower into a caustic downpour. Even seeking shelter beneath its branches during a storm can have dire consequences, as the rain-borne toxins rain down upon unsuspecting victims. One bite of this forbidden fruit unleashes a hellish inferno in the mouth and throat. The burning pain, so intense it can be felt deep within the chest and stomach, is accompanied by blistering, swelling, and a choking sensation that can make breathing nearly impossible. In extreme cases, ingestion of the fruit can be fatal. But even those fortunate enough to survive are often left with lingering reminders of their encounter with the Manchineel, permanent scarring, chronic digestive issues, and even an increased risk of cancer. Historically, the indigenous people of the Caribbean, well versed in the Manchineel's deadly secrets, used its toxic sap to their advantage, tipping arrows and darts with the lethal substance to create formidable weapons. Legend has it that some tribes even used the sap as a form of torture, tying their enemies to the tree, leaving them at the mercy of the elements and the tree's potent toxins. Today, the Manchineel stands as a stark reminder of the power of nature, a testament to the fact that beauty can indeed be deadly. Efforts are underway to educate the public about the dangers of this toxic tree, with warning signs posted in areas where it grows. But even with these precautions, the Manchineel remains a formidable force, a silent and deadly denizen of the plant world. It serves as a potent symbol of the delicate balance between humanity and nature, a reminder that we must approach the natural world with respect and caution, for even in the most beautiful and seemingly benign corners of our planet, danger may lurk. As we've seen, the natural world is a place of both incredible beauty and hidden dangers. While trees, for the most part, stand as symbols of life and resilience, some harbor secrets that remind us of nature's power and the importance of respect. The Manchineel, with its toxic sap and deadly fruit, is just one example of the many wonders and dangers that await those who venture into the wild. So the next time you find yourself wandering through a forest, remember to tread carefully, for the natural world is full of surprises. Find out more about the nature's hidden danger, trees that can harm you. Click like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Life blooms, so grow and glow. Thank you for watching.